All right, welcome back everyone. Today we are going to cover while loops and if-else structures. So this video here is going to be very brief, but it's going to direct you to another video that I've made in the past, and I want to apologize up front for how cringeworthy it is. All right, there are parts where I didn't really know what I was doing yet and kind of worked through it, but I leave it up because I want you guys to realize that a lot of these codes you're going to write a few times and you're going to have to troubleshoot what you did wrong in order to find out how to do it right. So don't be discouraged when you don't find out the first time as soon as you write the code that it works right away. You're going to have to kind of work through it and maybe ask for help with other groups just to make sure you are on track. So while loops and if else structures, there's a PowerPoint here. This PowerPoint is what I go over through in that video. So I recommend that you also have that up as we go along, and you can take notes on it if you would like. Don't worry about this Vex PLTW template. You don't need it. Form teams of two. Once again, ignore the teams part. You're already in the same teams that you've been on. You're going to go through and connect your Vex test bed. You're going to set it up. And then you're going to go right into this after you watch the video together as a class. Once again, I apologize, but there is a lot of good information in there that will set you up for some success in this activity. So one of the things I really want to talk about quickly is pay attention to these Boolean logic tables. They will be very helpful when you write while loops as well as if and statements. If else statements, my bad. And then for the assignment, you will be graded, and not on a completion basis, but on a work basis. So you're going to be working together as a group. If everyone in your group is working, then by the end, even if you don't get all the way down to 21D, then that's okay, as long as you all are working and troubleshooting and trying to figure out what to do next. All right. If, however, you're in a group of 3 and 1 out of 3 of you are working, then the other 2 of you will not receive a good grade. One thing you can all do is you have a computer. Everyone can write the code themselves, and then you guys can pass it around your test bed, plug it in, upload the code, and see if it works. But everyone should get a chance to write some code. All right, so you don't necessarily have to do that, but I'm telling you right now, if you want to get full points as participation, then you all need to be working. All right, so with that, I will direct you to the other video, and once again, I apologize for how bad it is. It is kind of slow, it is kind of boring. Like I said, there's a lot of good information in there, though, that will set you up for success in this activity. All right, with that, I will leave you to it. Good luck.